Yes, I'm this close to her. She's protecting her eggs with all her might. Look what a good mama. Yes, I know. I'm glad I saw you. I remember you from last year. I'm not going to hurt your babies. Man, you're just giving me crap. I'm not going to hurt you. That's what she's protecting right there. And look what she does. Look what she does when I get close. She fakes like she's injured because she wants me to come after her. Not her babies. Oh. I'm not going to bug you. Oh, she's going to come after me now. You going to come after me? Okay. You get back on your eggs and I'll leave you alone. Bye-bye.